healthy day! Let's answer a question that I got. Doc, ano pong maaaring supplement for PCOS? Bago natin sagutin yan, alam mo ba na ang PCOS is now called PMOS? Polyendocrine Metabolic Ovarian Syndrome. This is because hindi na lamang ovarian cysts ang involved sa kondisyon na ito. It also involves hormones, metabolism, insulin resistance, inflammation, skin, weight, fertility, and overall health. So if you have irregular periods, acne, facial hair, hirap magpapayat, intense cravings, bloating, or hair fall, your body may be telling you na metabolic or hormonal issues ito, not just ovaries. And to answer your question, ang supplement na commonly recommended for women with PCOS or PMOS is myo-inositol. It helps support insulin sensitivity and ovulation, which may help support hormonal balance and cycle regulation. Ang myo-inositol ay available bilang food supplement. However, keep in mind that food supplements may affect people differently from one person to another. Make sure lamang na bumili ng generic na gamot or food supplements sa reputable drugstores. Remember that consistency is important when taking any medicine or supplement. Hindi kailangang mahal, basta trusted and certified at gawa ng experts. Siguraduhin ang quality ng inyong medications, okay? Siguraduhin din to have proper nutrition, sleep, exercise, and stress management if you have PMOS. I'm Dr. Lien, ang inyong kalusugan opinion leader.